Hi everyone, time for another unboxing video, and this one is a late birthday present from Jodie, Chris's girlfriend, aka angeljodee on YouTube, and angeljodee on DeviantArt. I have no idea what this is, but what I do know is that it's personalised. And the funny thing about this is it actually arrived on my birthday, so it arrived at the right day, on the right day, but obviously when it arrived I was out born with Chris and Jodie, so we missed it. But it's here now, and as soon as I can get all this off, I will suss out just what this is. Fragile. Pre-wrapped in polystyrene. It's also being very evil to get off this. Bear with me. That's it, isn't it? Just after getting through to the prize is just part of the fun. And let's see. Oh wow! It's a personalised mug with one of my pictures on it that I made. I did a picture last year using one of the photos I took from New York. I superimposed my character's BluebottleFlyer into it. Jodie has gone and stuck it on a mug. That is awesome. Thanks Jodie, cheers for that. Oh, there's something inside as well. Ah, original orange octopus. That's where she did it through. Yeah, originalorangeoctopus.com. Go to that if you want stuff like this doing, because as you can see we do a great job. Many thanks for that, Jodie, I appreciate it.